Aloha guys, welcome in. David Tatera here again with CryptoTutorials.org. Today I am going to show you how to pick up some Tron token on KuCoin. If you're interested, KuCoin's a really easy place to pick up Tron, and Tron is an interesting token. It's got some of the cheapest fees to move around of anything I've ever seen. So check it out. Do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and tap on that like button. Let YouTube know that you appreciate this kind of stuff. I'm even going to follow it up with a couple extra videos on how to move the Tron into a Tron wallet, how to do some swaps with it. So if you're interested in exploring this new blockchain, you are in the right place. All right, let's get started. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Hey guys, before I jump in on this video, I wanted to let you know that I have been finding some absolutely phenomenal airdrops lately. In fact, some of them are so good that I'm going to start doing videos and making sure to share them with you so you don't miss out on this opportunity. But there's never going to be a way I can share all of them. There's so many going on that you really need to be able to do the research yourself. So do me a favor, go to getmyfreecrypto.com. Putting the web address right down there at the bottom of the screen, getmyfreecrypto.com. There's going to be a link right there when you go, and you can sign up for our $97 Airdrop Masterclass, totally free. Zero cost to you right now. You can learn how to pick up tokens on your own for free, how to get tokens just sometimes for owning tokens. So it's a really easy thing, getmyfreecrypto.com. You don't want to miss out on this. All right, so let's go pick up some Tron. I pulled it up here on CoinGecko, and you can see here's the list of all the different markets that it's available on. Obviously Binance and Kraken, Wobi, quite a few, Wobi Global, quite a few different markets. It's a pretty well spread around, pretty easy to buy crypto, but I'm going to buy mine on KuCoin because KuCoin is my main exchange, and it's one that I think is great because anybody can play on KuCoin. As long as you can find a way to onboard your fiat into crypto, you can transfer it to KuCoin no matter where you live, and you can actively use the platform. So it's my platform. That's where I'm going to go. Pop over here, and this is my KuCoin account, and I am going to go into my spot trading. And I do own a little bit of Tron right now. I have picked some up, but I'm going to pick up a few more shares, and then I'm going to work on transferring all of it. But just so you see, you just pop up here into the top. If you haven't used it, you go to the spot trading application. I have a whole video all about everything you could want to know about KuCoin, the entire infrastructure and all of it. But head up here. TRX is the token. So there we go. If you want to trade to ETH or that, I've got USD Tether right now I'm going to trade to. So here's my TRX to USD Tether. And you can see where it is. It's moved up a little bit of a nice uptick, but these are 5-minute charts. There's only a couple days worth that it's showing right here. But I want to buy a little bit of TRX. I am going to buy it at the market price. I'm not really trying, I may use a limit if I was trying to do something, if I was trying to buy a larger amount. But since I'm only going to buy like, $5 worth, I'm going to do it at the market price. And because of KuCoin's fees, it doesn't matter. I can buy $5 worth and it's no big deal. So you simply put in a market order, best market price, 5 USD Tether worth of TRX. You can see over here, I've got 800 in my main account and none in my trading account. The main account is where I will ship them out to the wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and buy a little bit of TRX. And boom, you can see for my $5, I picked up another 76.7 coins of TRX. I'm going to head over here to my wallets, and that way I can see where's assets. That's what it's under. My trading account. I can go in here and I can transfer my not my Ethereum. Sorry, I transfer my Tron from my trading account to my main account. I want to transfer it all, confirm, boom, now it's moved. And you can go over here and we can see in my main account, there is my Tron, and that's what I am going to do a withdrawal of. All right, and I just click on the withdraw. And now I have not set up my wallet yet. I did learn if you're just planning on holding it, you're totally fine with going to a trust wallet, or if you want to do your transactions through, you don't mind doing them through the DApp browser, or you can access your DApp browser in your Trust wallet, then go for it. Feel free to store them there. You don't need to create an extra wallet. I would prefer not to have extra wallets, but I really like the browser extension wallets. I find them to work much easier with the different platforms. They're a lot easier for me too, making videos and recording what's going on. So I am going to actually get a custom Tron wallet and move all this into there. So that's the next video I'm going to do. I'm going to link to it right above. If you're interested, follow me along. I'll get a Tron wallet set up, and then I will move all this Tron into there and make my swap. All right, click on the like, click on the subscribe buttons down below. Let YouTube know you are a fan of this video. You appreciate learning how to buy some Tron, how to move some Tron around, how to learn about the whole plan, and I will keep showing you it through different videos. Much aloha.